Right now, as you are watching this video, the sun is holding everything together. Not metaphorically, literally. Its gravity locks Earth into orbit. Its light powers every ecosystem on the planet, and its heat keeps the oceans liquid and the atmosphere alive. Now imagine this: no warning, no explosion, no flash. One moment the sun exists, and the next it is simply gone, erased from the universe. What follows would not be instant chaos. It would be something far more unsettling: silence. For the first 8 minutes and 20 seconds, nothing would seem wrong. That is because light takes time to travel. The sunlight warming your skin right now left the sun over 8 minutes ago. During that brief window, Earth would continue exactly as normal. Birds would still fly. Cars would still move. People would still argue about meaningless things. Humanity would be living on borrowed time, completely unaware that its lifeline no longer exists. Then it would happen. The sky would go dark. Not like night, not like an eclipse. This would be different. The sun would not set. It would vanish. One moment it is there, the next it is not, leaving behind a black hole of nothing where the brightest object in the sky once burned. Stars would suddenly appear across the daytime sky, frozen and unfamiliar. The moon would lose its glow instantly, becoming a dull, lifeless rock hanging overhead. Panic would spread before anyone could even explain what was happening. At the exact same moment the light disappears, Earth would lose its grip on the sun's gravity. Our planet would stop orbiting and begin moving in a straight line through space, flung outward at 30 kilometers per second. We would not feel this motion. Crops would fail almost immediately. Photosynthesis would shut down entirely. Plants would die first, followed closely by herbivores, then carnivores. The food chain would collapse from the bottom up with ruthless efficiency. By the end of the first week, global temperatures would drop below freezing across most of the planet. Rain would turn to snow. Snow would never melt. The oceans, which store enormous amounts of heat, would slow the process, but only briefly. Sea ice would spread rapidly from the poles, sealing off marine ecosystems. Phytoplankton, the foundation of ocean life, would die in darkness. Oxygen production would fall. The air itself would begin to change. Within a month, the average surface temperature would plunge to minus 20 degrees Celsius. Most humans would already be dead. Power grids would fail as fuel supplies ran out. Solar energy would be gone entirely. Wind patterns would collapse. Nuclear plants would shut down one by one without maintenance. Cities would freeze into monuments of glass and steel, entombed in ice. After 1 year, Earth would be unrecognizable. The average temperature would drop below minus 100 degrees Celsius. The oceans would be sealed beneath kilometers of ice, though liquid water might still exist far below, insulated by pressure and geothermal heat. The atmosphere would begin to freeze and snow out of the sky. Carbon dioxide would solidify first, forming dry ice clouds that drift down to the surface. Eventually, even nitrogen and oxygen would liquefy. The sky itself would fall. Over thousands of years, Earth would become a frozen world, drifting endlessly through interstellar space. No sunrise, no seasons, no sound. Life on the surface would be extinct. The only possible survivors would be microbial organisms deep underground or near hydrothermal vents, living off Earth's internal heat rather than the sun's light. And yet, even in this frozen graveyard, Earth would not be completely dead. The planet's core would remain hot for billions of years. The most haunting part is this: from a distance, Earth would still look beautiful. A frozen blue-white sphere drifting between the stars, untouched, silent, and lifeless. No sign that it once held oceans, forests, cities, and billions of lives. No evidence of laughter, music, or dreams. Just another cold object in a universe filled with them. The sun does not just give us light, it gives us time. And without it, time would run out faster than anyone could possibly comprehend.